Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Presentation Go and signing in. Once logged in, pick a template that matches your goal. Start with slide size. Use 16:9 for screens, then import key assets like logos and photos. While you do that, create a simple outline of 3-5 main points to guide layout decisions. Make sure to name your project and save it. This immediate work prevents aimless clicks later and sets you up to build slides efficiently and consistently. Once your base is ready, add content blocks to each slide and follow a clear visual hierarchy so viewers can scan fast. Use the master slides to apply consistent fonts, colors, and logo placement. This saves time and ensures uniformity. Align elements on a grid and group related items. Then add charts or icons where data needs emphasis and apply subtle transitions. Make sure to preview the deck from start to finish to catch pacing and layout issues before fine-tuning. To finish, proofread every slide and run a timed rehearsal so you know pacing. Adjust text density to maintain clarity. Export your presentation to PPTX or PDF and confirm that fonts and linked media are embedded properly. Once exported, test the file on the target device. If audio or video fails to play, relink the files or convert them to a compressed MP4. Make sure file paths are relative, not absolute. If issues persist, open a fresh copy and repeat export while watching the log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.